Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin, and Forex Trading for Beginners. Today in the show, the program, the daily show for you is going over gold for yesterday using volume profile and other tools we use both personally and with my group, the Ninjas. We'll go on the share screen right now. So focusing on gold yesterday, ladies and gentlemen, this is today. This year we'll have a session break, so focusing on this. We're also going to focus on the day before this as well. So we did not see yesterday. We did not see yesterday. Bring this down here. So this is yesterday. So when we're looking at yesterday's, we always look at the day before between this line and this line. And we notice any, you see I've marked up things previous, major supports. Here, things called unfinished business when we get strong wicks here, here, further along. Previously hitting target, previous points of control. Yeah, so mark that up. So I just simply click on my volume profile for this, and I draw I'm on the 5 minute normal candles. Yep. I draw a line here, is our target. I draw a line here, value area low, and I draw a line up at the top, value area high. It's still there. Okay. And then move to the next day. If I want, I would also look at the shape of this. I would also look at the shape of this and say, I have to be careful round about this price. I'm actually going to write just that there. And the right on that, be careful. Now, why do you think, for those people watching this, why do you think I'm doing that? Be careful. Why? There. Yeah, just based on the previous day. So we come into the, as you're thinking about that, I'm going to go on. Yeah. So what do we see here? The shape of yesterday. It's a little bit of a double distribution day. Now, so, but we weren't aware of that at the start of the day. Yeah. So price started down in this area here, a little consolidation as you would expect when the market initially opens. Then when I drive up to this previous this area here. So you think of supply and demand base at this point here when it was down, we'll have a base comes into the here, consolidates, rotates around this price. Now I noticed this earlier on in the day, and in a session did yesterday in the Ninjas, I marked this up. I marked this up, and I'll come and mark up again for you all today. Then price continued to rise up. Right, all three of these, all these here are previous. Most of them are previous value area low, value area high, and point of controls. The target for yesterday, yeah, was there. Was there. I don't mark the previous POC because it's now yesterday what we're looking at. So went up the value area low, and just double check that again. Was there. You could have taken advantage of this if you had a special tool called the matrix. We'll switch on the matrix. If it goes green, you buy. If it's red, you sell. Boom. Look at that. Now, if you also think of straight to it, but if you think about this previous support I drawn here, this area here was really important. Yeah, straight to profit. Switch the matrix off. And then what happened as it continued, the point of control up here. Yeah, that was actually for, we'll look at that later, what that is. And then we had this, I call the other double distribution area here. And what it also did, it danced around this area I've called strong support, value area high. Look at it, hit it many, many times. Now up here, we've got some, this is actually moving on today, but rather, okay, got something I call unfinished business. it's just went through there and it may come down. But moving back again to yesterday, what could we have done with this area? Because you noticed this the previous day, what could you have done with this? Yeah, well, we know with the matrix, those people in the ninjas or my private mentoring have access to this or the original version of it. Yep. What we then have here, we also have the ninjacator, and that tells us when to buy, but I wouldn't buy there. I'd wait for a break and a retest there. And I'm not in Heikin-Ashi candles. I'll do it all on Heikin-Ashi candles. And you would get there or for a better entry, probably there actually. Yeah, if it's doing it based on that there. And what else do we have? What else do we have? When I analyze this, I'll show you exactly what I did. Exactly what I did. What I'll do is I'll switch this off for a minute. I looked at the markets and I asked myself a simple question. If this is going to go up, where's the trend? And at that point, I think the price was round about here. Supposing in the show, I described to you exactly what I do. This is our daily show for traders, whether they're new, old, beginners, whatever it may be, thinking of if that is a trend. I also looked at a counter trend as well. Because what I did do, what I did do was I actually think, I'm not sure if I actually did that. Probably more about that there. Figure offhand, it's not much difference, but there's a difference. So I did that there. And then I'd put on some of my magic up here. Switch these off for a minute. Now, put it back on. There we go. And what this tells me, this is a nice smoothing bit of technology I put together, created myself. And when it got these green arrows, I'm telling you it's an up, and telling you the red arrow is telling you it's a sell. But when do you buy? When do you sell? See what happens? It's come down. It's been in a downtrend, and then it starts changing. It starts going into a consolidation range here. I even notice I've the crossover here, the trend trap on this major support zone here, and I'm looking for the price as it comes down to either break through there or go up there. So poked his nose down below at this area here where I got this down, but with this little thing I didn't really see enough. It was just a, see how that red push just underneath there, I wasn't really seeing much, and it came back up. We got this one here above this area here, back this black zone. I went up, came down, we had a long, right on, we had this one and we had a long. Now, if I really wanted to, I could have put on the ninja, the famous ninjacator. I could have switched on to Heikin-Ashi candles. I know it looks a bit busy, but we're just tuning into this area here, ladies and gentlemen. Tuning into this area here. Yeah. Yeah, we're above this here. So we've got this, it's bounced off of this, the support line. It came back up, came down, back into it, rejected off that, and then we got an early entry up there, and it simply goes to the moon. And then from that point, it just takes off. For those people who wanted a little bit safer zone, a value area low is just there, just on the ninjacator, and an early entry up. You could have taken that then all the way to the moon. Here we have this sting on this side of it. A lot of time the price may come back into the cloud, but in this case it just kept bouncing off of my previous, as you can see here, come in, bounced off and back up, bounced off and come back up. And it just kept on. When you can't make this stuff up, ladies and gentlemen, this is immense technology I put together for you. Now, the people here that for a little bit extra confidence, the people here that do know about unfinished business, well, you knew there was unfinished business up here with a Wix. Yeah. The people that know about the gold rush, there you go, all day long. All day long. And that's exactly, if people come to this channel, that's the content you're getting every single day. So for those people today, moving on today, what's going to happen to the markets? Yeah, this is our gold rush. It's already, for those people, I've taken advantage of that. We're up 27 pips. Now, perfectly honest, I would not be in this at the moment. Why? Because the strong wicks from previously. I know it has previously broken through. Got a recent area high up here. But this area here got strong support from wicks and various things. So I'm just going to let it run for now. What I believe it's going to do, it's coming up, come back down, into potentially back into this our zone here, and then it will show its hand. But until then, we do absolutely nothing. So I hope that's been useful. Now, those people that do have questions, comment below, like, comment, and share. The more you comment, more you share and like, the more we can give more value. This is the show, your daily show, not mine, your daily show, bringing content for gold trading with volume and other subsidiary tools. Have a great day. And for those people who are following me, which I do encourage you to share, but right now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a 7-day pass. We have a 7-day pass. We can access all these fantastic tools. Some of the ones that you showed you there is things I've created myself. Other ones are in our bigger group, the Matrix, the Ninja, absolutely immense, fantastic. Without them, I would not be trading how I am today. So for those people who are serious about going next level, whether you're new, whether you're someone who's struggling as a trader and want to get perhaps some profit for a change rather than just giving to your broker on a regular basis, why not stop? Why not just stop? Why not try something? It costs you nothing. 7 days, like Manda, 40-odd winning trades in a row. Ribbon, 14 winning trades in a row on US 30. Manda's on gold. Absolutely immense. So for those people who want more, just say, I want more. So it's Jeff here, Forex trading for beginners. And as I always say to people here, I'll see you at the top. Bye for now and have a great day.